Hello, my name is Andrianna Shamaris and I'm a furniture designer here in New York City. Welcome to my oasis floating in the sky above Central Park. It was a collaboration with Thomas Leeser, an amazing architect. We bought the downtown feel uptown, which I absolutely love. So come with me and I'll show you around. Originally, this apartment didn't have a foyer, but we wanted a wow factor. We wanted you to come in and when you opened the door, be wowed by the view. To me, good design is about being authentic. So everything in this apartment I either designed or I sourced. This beautiful bench here is an old piece of wood that I found, and we added minimalist legs in contrast. This is the dining area where I have all my friends over for dinner. Not because I don't really like people. The table is an antique piece made out of two pieces of teak wood with a beveled inlay here and beautiful fluted legs. This is an antique carving from Tarajaland. These circles symbolize peace and happiness. This is where I come to chill out. I love to sit here, look at the fabulous view and enjoy the fruits of my success. These beds are very unique. The arms are one single length of wood and all hand carved. Hanging behind the sofa is another piece from Tarajaland, also having the circles which symbolize peace and happiness. I do love collecting these miniature sculptures, little statues in Southeast Asia, and the patina on this one is absolutely stunning. This I absolutely adore. It's my brother, myself and my sister. It's one of my favorite, I have to say, and I call it the Three Orphans. This is just very authentic. It's just who I am, it's what I love, it's what I want to look at. So this is what I call my freestyle, randomly tightly knitted shell inlay. In fact, these doors inspired me to produce a round table for Louis Vuitton worldwide. And as beautiful as these doors are, there's something behind that I'd like to show you. The kitchen was an interesting prospect because I couldn't find any tile that I really loved. So I ended up producing these myself, made of concrete. The idea behind keeping the floor and the walls in the concrete was just to keep it seamless. I really wanted this to be very minimalist, very stark, and very modern. There's a continuity towards this entire apartment. For instance, here in my bedroom, we have the shell inlay framed mirror, which we have taken from the wooden panels. We have the grey stone tile that continues in throughout, and we have a whole wall of closets. And when they're closed, they're just hidden away, which I really like. And I think it looks like an art installation. This wabi-sabi table is made from the same teak panels that I use for the closets. I basically just made the headboard. I have a large collection of antique textiles, so this headboard will often get switched out, as will the bedspread. I wanted to keep the bed as soft and feminine as possible. And of course, luckily enough, we can also take in the view. For me, good design is all about celebrating your authentic self, and my home is a celebration of what I do and what I absolutely love. I hope you've enjoyed visiting my apartment on Central Park.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.